FuelEx Rust Converter, the unsung hero of marine maintenance. FuelEx Rust Converter is a specialized type of paint or coating designed to address the issue of rust on metal surfaces. It is particularly important for ships and other marine vessels due to the harsh and corrosive environment they operate in. Here's a brief explanation of Rust Converter and its importance for ships. What is FuelEx Rust Converter? FuelEx Rust Converter is a chemical solution or paint that serves a dual purpose. FuelEx Rust Conversion. When FuelEx applied to a rusted metal surface, it chemically reacts with the iron oxide rust, turning it into a stable compound. This process, known as chelation, converts the rust into a protective layer called FuelEx Rust Converter or a similar compound. This new layer acts as a barrier, preventing further corrosion. FuelEx Primer. FuelEx Rust Converters often contain primer components that provide a suitable surface for additional coats of paint or protective coatings. This ensures a smoother finish and better adhesion of subsequent layers. Why is FuelEx Rust Converter important for ships? The importance of FuelEx Rust Converter for ships cannot be overstated due to the following reasons. Corrosive marine environment. Ships are constantly exposed to saltwater, high humidity, and changing weather conditions, all of which accelerate the formation of rust on metal surfaces. Rust can weaken the structural integrity of a ship, compromise safety, and lead to costly repairs or even catastrophic failures if left unchecked. Cost-effective maintenance. FuelEx Rust Converter offers a cost-effective solution for ship maintenance. Instead of replacing entire sections of rusted metal, ship owners and maintenance crews can apply Rust Converter to halt the corrosion process and extend the lifespan of critical components, such as the hull, deck, and superstructure. Preventative maintenance. Regular application of FuelEx Rust Converter as part of a ship's maintenance schedule can help prevent rust from developing in the first place. This proactive approach is vital for ensuring the long-term seaworthiness of the vessel. Safety. Ensuring the structural integrity of a ship is paramount for the safety of its crew, passengers, and cargo. FuelEx Rust Converter helps maintain the strength and reliability of metal components, reducing the risk of accidents or failures at sea. Environmental impact. Using FuelEx Rust Converter to extend the lifespan of ships also has environmental benefits. It reduces the need for premature scrapping of vessels, which can lead to pollution and waste. In conclusion, FuelEx Rust Converter plays a crucial role in preserving the structural integrity and safety of ships by addressing the pervasive problem of rust in the challenging marine environment. It is a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution that is essential for the maintenance and longevity of vessels at sea.